Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at practice 3. We'll be making a 3D model using this file from CADD Knowledge. So this is a 2D drawing done in third angle projection, and it's pretty simple. It's in two parts. That is the first layer, that's here, and then the second is this side. So pretty much everything is also laid down for us. We have a 40 by 40 length and width of this shape, and then we have a 20 millimeter as well on the other side. And coming to the 3D model on top, it's a cuboid, so it's going to be 20 by 20 by 20, and then the height of this side is 10. So let's dive right into our FreeCAD software. Right, so we're in FreeCAD now. First start by creating a parametric part. This would preload my body and all other things. Then I'll start with a simple top view right here, XY plane, and then all I just have to do is to start my polyline. Start from this side, create just that, and then we come back to the origin. Everything is in construction mode. Okay, last time I placed all the lines in construction mode, so I have to change everything now, and this as well. Yeah. So what we have to do now is dimension our lines. So I select first one, D40, and then 40, and then 20 millimeters. So fully constrained part. Right. So now all we have to do is to extrude. So we extrude this part by 10 millimeters, done. And then we go back to the top plane and sketch. Now we have to also create references here. So we have to, from the previous feature, we have to extract references from the top and the left side, and then we model our square. So with this one, I'm going to be using the rectangle. I will start from the corner and just do like so, right, and then D for dimension, 20, done, 20, done. Now it's fully constrained, and then we extrude again. So we extrude by 20 as well, and yeah, you're done. So this is the complete model in just a few minutes. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching.